Hi guys, welcome back for another video. So I lost the intro to this video and I've lost so much footage, it's so annoying. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to show you how to do this really funky, curly whirly, twisty, wisty turban style. Enjoy. If you enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you next week. Bye! Okay, so you want to get your scarf, put it on your head with the sides the same length. Then you just cross the two sides over like that and then twist one side. Like I'm doing there, just twist and twist and twist. Okay, and then once you twist it enough, then simply start twisting it around itself. And you can do this as many times as you want. This style, you're going to literally get a slightly different look each time, and that's the beauty of it. Okay, nope, just adjusting the camera. So then twist it and then literally just tuck it in, and then you're going to do exactly the same with the other side. It is that simple. It looks way more complicated and intricate than it actually is. So you can see there, I'm just tucking it in at the back. Okay, and then just take the other side and do exactly the same. Just twist it, twist it, twist it, and then twist it around on itself as many times as you want in whatever kind of pattern you want. And then I bring it back down the same side and again just tuck it in at the back slash the side. Okay, and yeah, no, at the back, tuck in at the back or wherever it lands really. So I'll leave all the description, the details of like the kind of scarves that you can use, and leave links to some places where you can get scarves that are a similar size to this one. So yeah, check the description box for all that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh wait, I'm jumping ahead of myself. So I kind of just pinned that bit down just because it was annoying me looking like a bit upwards kind of thing. So I literally just got the pin and I just pinned it down, but you literally do not have to use a pin for this style. It was just me being a bit weird. And me and pins, we don't get on. So there we go. Super simple, super cute. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe before you leave, and I'll catch you next week, guys. Bye.